Hear this claim: Sanskrit is perfectly unambiguous language. But is that really true? Let's slow down and answer this honestly. First, what do we even mean by ambiguity? Ambiguity happens when one sentence can mean many things and we are not sure which one is correct. For example, in English, I saw the man with the telescope. Did I use the telescope or did a man have it? The sentence doesn't tell us that's ambiguity. Now, does Sanskrit have zero ambiguity? No. Sanskrit is a human language and all human languages can be ambiguous. The question is not, is Sanskrit unambiguous? The real question is, how does Sanskrit handle ambiguity? And this is where things get interesting. Let's take a same sentence idea in Sanskrit. If you want to say, I saw the man using a telescope, I say, Chakshusha yantrena aham naram apashyam. So, you don't need to know Sanskrit to notice something important here. That word Chakshusha yantrena means by means of telescope. So sentence clearly tells us who used telescope. There is no guessing. If I want the other meaning, the man who had a telescope, the Sanskrit will not reuse the same structure. It will change the wording because relationship is different. This is the key point. Sanskrit does not rely on guessing meanings from context alone. It relies on structure. Word ending, position, sound changes, and grammatical rules work together like a system. Because of this structure, many ambiguities that existed in other languages are reduced, not magically removed. Think of it like this. Two people may speak unclearly. One speaks without rule, other speaks with clear structure. But one is easier to interpret consistently. That's Sanskrit. It doesn't promise only one meaning always. Instead, it promises, if you follow the rules, the range of possible meanings becomes very small. And that's a huge difference. This is also why scholars could debate Sanskrit text for centuries without changing the grammar itself. The system stays stable, interpretation may vary, but rules don't collapse. So, is Sanskrit really unambiguous? No. But is it highly structured, rule-driven, and resistant to chaos? Yes. And that's exactly why linguists, philosophers, and even computer scientists find it fascinating. Not because it's perfect, but because it's designed to control ambiguity instead of ignoring it. And that honestly is far more impressive. Sanskrit doesn't eliminate ambiguity, it disciplines it.